Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have been given this interesting yellow polygon, as you can see in this given diagram, such that its horizontal side length has been given us as 19 units, whereas these vertical side lengths are 9, 5, 8, and 3 units respectively. And furthermore, all of these angles are 90 degrees each, as you can see over here. And now our task is to calculate the perimeter of this given polygon. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started, and here's our very first step, since we are interested in calculating the perimeter of this given diagram. So therefore we must add all these side lengths of this given polygon, all these side lengths, all of these ones, just bear in mind. So we have to be very meticulous in finding these side lengths. And here in this next step, I have drawn some these vertical lines, as you can see, and we can see that this segment is going to be equal to this segment. Likewise, this segment is going to be equal to this horizontal segment. This horizontal segment is going to be equal to this horizontal segment. This horizontal segment is going to be equal to this segment, and finally this horizontal segment is going to be equal to this horizontal segment. And we know this whole horizontal segment is 19 units. So therefore the sum of all these horizontal segment length is going to be 19 units as well. So therefore our total horizontal length is going to be this 19 plus 19. So I can write 19 plus 19, and that is going to be equal to 38 units. So therefore our total horizontal length turns out to be 38 units. And here in this next step, I have drawn some horizontal lines as well. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this vertical segment length is going to be equal to this vertical segment length. If this vertical segment length is 3, then this length is going to be 3 units as well. And let's make another observation. We know that this segment length is 3 units. So therefore this segment length is going to be 3 units as well. And if this whole length is 5, then this remaining length is going to be 2 units. So therefore if this length is 2 units, then this vertical length is going to be 2 units as well. And finally we know that this whole vertical length is 8 units. So therefore this remaining vertical length is going to be 3 units. And finally let's focus on this segment that is 2 units. Then this vertical segment is going to be 2 units as well. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this whole vertical length is 9 units, and we know this segment length is 2 units. So therefore this remaining vertical length is going to be 9 minus 2 is going to give us 7 units. And now finally we can see that this right hand side, this vertical length is same as this vertical length on the left hand side, and we know this length is 7 units. So therefore this side length is going to be 7 units as well. And here's our next step. We know this side length is 8 units. So therefore this side is going to be 8 units as well. So thus our vertical segment length is going to be the sum of 7 plus 3 plus 8 plus 8 plus 5 plus 9, and if we add all these numbers, that is going to give us 40 units. So therefore our total vertical length turns out to be 40 units. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the perimeter of this given yellow polygon. So the perimeter is going to be equal to the sum of these horizontal length plus the vertical length. And here our horizontal total length turns out to be 38 units. And the total vertical length is 40. So therefore the perimeter is going to be simply, I'm going to add those numbers. So horizontal length is 38 plus 40, that is going to give us 78 units. So thus the perimeter of this given polygon turns out to be 78 units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.